Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Apple ID on the new iPhone. This link saved iCloud contacts immediately. Once signed in, make sure Wi-Fi is active and the phone stays powered to avoid partial restores. Then go to Settings, tap Contacts, then Accounts. You want to see iCloud and any third-party accounts listed. If you used Google or Exchange, add those accounts now. This first step pulls in synced sources, so you can fetch missing entries from the correct account. Next, verify whether your contacts exist in iCloud by toggling Contacts off and on in Settings to force a resync. Once done, wait a minute and check the Contacts app. If you previously backed up the old iPhone, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer, or Reset iPhone and choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Make sure the backup date contains your contacts. For Gmail or Exchange contacts, open Accounts, ensure Contacts Sync is enabled, and tap Fetch or Sync to pull them onto the device. To finish, review and tidy contacts by checking groups to show all sources and merge duplicates if needed. Make sure to force a sync by signing out of your Apple ID and signing back in, or remove and re-add third-party accounts. This refreshes contact lists. If you still lose entries, check iCloud. To confirm server copies exist. Once done, restore from the most recent backup. Key troubleshooting tip: if contacts are absent, verify the correct Apple ID or third-party account was used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.